Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy CET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. In this particular video, we will discuss multiple choice questions of NCERT on indefinite, definite, and differential equation. Alright, before I start, guys, please do subscribe our channel, enable the bell icon so that you get notifications for all our classes. If you have already subscribed, at the end of the session, after finishing this, please kindly like and share my video, guys. Let's move to the problems. Okay, the antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x dx. This can be written as x power half dx plus integration of 1 by root x dx. This is x to the power of 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 by root x is 2 root x plus c. This is 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 to the power of 3 by 2 plus 2 root x. Root x is same as x power half, right? This is same as 2 into x to the power of half. X power half and plus c. Answer is option C. If I integrate throughout, you get fx is equal to 4 times integration of x cube dx minus 3 times shift numerator x to the power of minus 4 dx and plus c. Now fx is equal to 4 times integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4 minus 3 times x to the power of minus 3 divided by minus 3 and plus c. This will cancel. You will get fx is equal to 4x to the power of 4 minus and minus is plus. You get 1 by x cube and plus c. This is the fx. Right, I'm supposed to find the value of c, right? It is given in the question that f of 0 is equal to 2. That is, when x is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 0. If I substitute f of 2 is equal to 4 into 2 power 4 is 16 plus 1 by 2 cube is 8 plus c. Okay, f of 2 is 0, right? 16 4 64 plus 1 by 8 plus c. C is equal to minus 64 minus 1 by 8. Okay, 64 into 4 is 128. 2 power 4, 2 cube, 2 power 7, 128. Minus 128 minus 1 divided by 8. So minus 129 upon 8. This is the value of C. Right, if I substitute in equation 1, fx is equal to 4x power 4 plus 1 by x cube. And C is equal to minus 129 upon 8. X power 4 by 4, right? Sorry, 4 and 4 cancels here. So there's no 4 here. That's x power 4 plus 1 by x cube minus 129 by 8. First option. Right? Question number 3. You differentiate denominator, you get numerator. This is of the form f dash of x divided by f of x, which is equal to log f of x. You differentiate denominator, you get numerator. Differentiation of x power 10 is 10x power 9. Differentiation of 10 power x is 10 power x into log 10. So this is log of denominator. Log of x power 10 plus 10 power x plus c. Alright, so this is equal to log of x power 10 plus 10 power x dx. Answer is option D. Integration of, this is sine square plus cos square, right? Sine square x cos square x. Numerator 1 can be written as sine square x plus cos square x, because anyway sine square plus cos square is 1. Okay, now if I divide, integration of sine square x divided by sine square x into cos square x plus this is cos square x divided by sine square x into cos square x. Right, I'm going to cancel sine square, I'm going to cancel cos square. 1 by cos is sec, you get sec square x dx, and 1 by sine is cosec, you get cosec square x dx. Integration of sec square x is tan x, right? And integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. So you get tan x minus cot x plus c. Answer is option B. Do the same thing for this. Integration of, this is sine square x upon sine square x cos square x minus integration of cos square x divided by sine square x into cos square x. Cos square will cancel, sine square will cancel. This is 1 by cos square x dx minus integration of 1 by sine is cosec, you get cosec square x dx. Integration of cos square x, 1 by cos is sec. Okay, integration of sec square x is tan x. Integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. So this is equal to plus cot x plus c. So tan plus cot plus c. Answer is option A. Okay, integration of e power x into 1 plus x divided by cos square x into x into e power x dx. I'm going to put x into e power x is equal to t. If I differentiate, first function is x, differentiation of e power x is e power x, plus second function is e power x, differentiation of x is 1, and then dx is equal to dt. E power x, if I take common, you get x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So this becomes numerator dt divided by cos square t. 1 by cos is sec, you get sec square t dt. Integration of sec square t is tan t and plus c. Substitute the value of t, you get tan of x into e power x and plus c. Answer is option B. Okay, so this is integration dx divided by e power x. I can write 1 by e power x, right? Cross multiply and shift to numerator. E power x dx divided by 1 plus e power x the whole square. I'm going to put e power x is equal to t. If I differentiate, e power x dx is equal to dt. Numerator dt divided by 1 plus t square. Integration of 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse of t. Tan inverse of t plus c. So this is tan inverse of, what's the value of t? E power x plus c. Answer is option B. Sorry, tan inverse of e power x plus c. First option. Cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x, right? Divided by, this can be written as sin x plus cos x the whole square. Sin x plus cos x the whole square dx. Right, cos square minus sin square can be written as cos minus sin into cos plus sin. And then whole divided by sin plus cos the whole square. Sin plus cos the whole square dx. The sin plus cos will cancel with the square. Left out is cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x. Okay, now this is of the form. This is of the form f dash of x divided by f of x. F dash of x by f of x will be equal to log f of x and plus c. You differentiate denominator, you get numerator. So this should be written as log of sin x plus cos x, okay, and plus c. Log sin plus cos plus c, answer is option B. All right, now this is I'm going to take this as I is equal to integration of a to b and then x into fx dx. You call equation 1. Okay, I'm going to use the property. All this is equation 1. I'm going to use the property a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. That is, change x to lower plus upper minus x dx. Okay, now this I is equal to a to b, change x to lower plus upper minus x, that is a plus b minus x dx minus x. Near also same, f of a plus b minus x. Okay, and then dx. Now if I substitute here, I is equal to integration of a to b. This is a to b, a plus b minus x. F of a plus b minus x is same as fx. That's already given in the question. So this is same as fx. If I separate them, I is equal to a plus b is out. Integration of a to b and then f of x dx minus integration of a to b and then x into fx dx. This is same as I, right? This is same as I from equation 1. Shift on the left side. It will be 2i. 2i is equal to a plus b, a to b and then f of x dx. I is equal to a plus b by 2. Integration of a to b and then f of x dx. That's the last option D. A plus b by 2, a to b fx dx. This can be written as integration dx divided by, I just complete the squares, x square plus 2x. 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. Integration dx divided by 1 I'll keep as it is. X square plus 2x plus 1 can be written as x plus 1 the whole square. This is of the form integration dx divided by a square plus x square. Formula will be equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Okay, so this is 1 can be written as 1 square. A square plus x square is 1 by 1 into tan inverse of x plus 1 and then plus c. Answer is B. Alright, question number 11. Integration dx divided by root of, let us complete the squares. 9x minus 4x square. Take minus common, you get 4x square minus 9x. This will be minus 4 out. You will get x square minus 9 by 4x. Okay, so this is minus 4. You get x square minus 9 by 4x. Plus add and subtract half of coefficient of x the whole square. that is 81 by 64. I'll add 81 by 64 and subtract 81 by 64. This is minus 4 times. First 3 terms will be a perfect square, that is x minus 9 by 2 the whole square, 9 by 8 the whole square. 9 by 8 the whole square minus 81 by 64. If you interchange, minus will become plus. This is 81 by 64 minus x minus 9 by 8 the whole square. Now if I substitute, this is equal to 4 into 81 by 64 minus with x minus 9 by 8 the whole square. And then dx. I'm going to take root. 4 is under the root, right? Take out, it becomes 2. Integration dx divided by root of 81 can be written as 9 by 8 the whole square minus of x minus 9 by 8 the whole square. Now this is of the form dx divided by root of a square minus x square, which is sine inverse of x by a. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 and sine inverse of x by a, sine inverse of x minus 9 by 8 divided by 9 by 8 and plus c. Okay, that's equal to 1 upon 2 sine inverse of, take LCM 8, it will get cancelled. You get 8x minus 9 divided by 9 and plus c. Answer is option B. Alright, question number 12. X divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2. I taught you the shortcut in my earlier videos. 19 paper, 20 paper, 21 paper KCET questions we have done. If I equate this to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Put the first root as 1. You get 1 divided by x minus 1 into 1 minus 2. Put x as 2. You get 2 divided by 2 minus 1 into x minus 2. So this is x divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by x minus 1 plus 2 by x minus 2. Now if I integrate, x divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx, 1 upon x minus 1 dx plus 2 times integration of 1 upon x minus 2 dx. Integration of 1 by x is log x, right? So this is log of x minus 1 plus 2 times log of x minus 2. Okay, and then plus c. This can be written as 2 log x can be written as log x square. So this can be written as log of x minus 2 the whole square minus log of x minus 1 and plus c. Log m minus log n is log m by n. So this should be written as log of x minus 2 the whole square divided by x minus 1 and plus c. First option, log of x minus 2 the whole square by x minus 1. Answer is option B, guys. Okay, so this can be written as x square into x plus 1 and then this is x dx. You cancel that x and the square, again you get 1 upon x into x square plus 1. This should be written as I'm going to put x square is equal to t, 2x dx is equal to dt, and from this x dx is equal to dt by 2. Half x dx is dt by 2, t into t plus 1. So this can be written as 1 upon 2, 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1, and then this is dt. Okay, so this is equal to half into a bracket, integration of 1 by x is log x, this is log t, then this is log of t plus 1 and plus c. Now 1 by 2 log m minus log n is log m by n. One upon 2, this is log t is same as x square minus 1 by 2. This is same as t is x square plus 1 and plus c. Log m power n is n log m, right? So this can be written as half of log x square is 2 log x minus log of x square plus 1 and plus c. This 2 will cancel with 2. Answer is option A. Okay, question number 14. This is x square e per x cube. So it's a direct question. I'll put x cube is equal to t. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square dx is equal to dt, right? So this becomes e to the power of t. X square dx is dt by 3. From this, x square dx is equal to dt by 3. Okay, so this is 1 upon 3. Integration of e power t is e power t plus c. 1 upon 3 e to the power of t is x cube and plus c. E power x cube by 3 plus c. Answer is option A. This is already in standard form. I can write e power x into a bracket, cq multiply inside. This becomes a sec x plus sec x tan x, right? This is of the form e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. Then the formula will be equal to e power x into f of x plus c. This is e power x into sec x plus c. Answer is option B. Alright, now this is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x, right? Between the limits 1 to root 3. Upper limit is tan inverse of root 3 minus lower limit is tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of root 3 can be written as 5 by 3. Tan inverse of 1 is 5 by 4. 60 minus 45 is 15 degree, which is pi by 12. You take LCM 12 and cross multiply, you get pi by 12 only. I can write 0 to 2 by 3 dx divided by 9 if I take outside. It will be 4 by 9 plus x square. You can use substitution method. 9x square you can write 3x the whole square. Alright, and then you should change the limit as well. 1 by 9 I'll take outside. This is 0 to 2 by 3 dx upon 2 by 3 the whole square plus x square. This is 1 by 9. Now this is of the form dx divided by a square plus x square. Formula will be 1 by a tan inverse of x by a and plus c. So this is 1 by a, 1 divided by 2 by 3 and tan inverse of x by a, tan inverse of x divided by 2 by 3 and plus c. This will cancel 3 times. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 tan inverse of 3x by 2 and plus c. Sorry, this is definite, right? This is between the limits 0 to 2 by 3. Now if I substitute, this is 1 upon 3 tan inverse of, if you substitute upper limit 2 by 3 by 2 by 3 minus lower limit is tan inverse of 0. Tan inverse of 0 is 0. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. 1 by 3, this is pi by 4. You will get pi by 12. Right, answer is pi by 12 only. 1 upon 3 tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Yes, answer is B. Right, answer is pi by 12, guys. Let's move to the next question. 1 by 3 to 1. 1 by 3 to 1. Take the highest power of x common here. X cube. This is x by x cube. Minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Divided by x power 4. 1 by 3 to 1. This is x cube to the power of 1 by 3. Into 1 by x square. Minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 3. And then this is x into x cube dx. This will cancel. 1 by 3 to 1, x into 1 by x square minus 1 whole divided by x into x cube dx. Okay, this will cancel. I'm going to put 1 by x square minus 1 equal to t. Minus 1 equal to t. Differentiation of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube, right? And then dx is equal to dt. From this 1 by x cube dx is equal to minus dt by 2. Right, now I'll change the limits. When x is equal to 0, let's call equation 1. When x is equal to 1, in equation 1, t will be 0. X is equal to 1 in equation 1. X is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. T is equal to 1 divided by 1 by 3, the whole square is 9 minus 1. T is equal to 8. The new limit becomes 8 to 0. Okay, and then this is t to the power of 1 by 3. Dx by x cube will be equal to minus dt by 2. Change the limits. This is 0 to 8. T to the power of 1 by 3 and dt by 2. Half you keep as it is. T power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. Between the limits is 0 to 8. So this is 3 by 8. Upper limit is 8 to the power of 4 by 3. Lower limit is 0. So this is 3 by 8. This is 2 cubed to the power of 4 by 3. Okay, cancel this. This is 3 by 8. 2 power 4 is 16. This will cancel 2 times. 3 into 2 is 6. Answer is option A. Good question, guys. Question number 19. See, this is f dash of x. I'm supposed to find f dash of x. Differentiation of a definite integral. I suppose you want to differentiate a definite integral. This is x squared to x cube and e to the power of dt. Differentiate the upper limit. In place of t, you put upper limit. Minus differentiate the lower limit. In place of t, you put lower limit. This is called differentiation of a definite integral. Leibniz rule. If I differentiate the upper limit, that is 1. In place of t, you put upper limit x sin x. The differentiation of lower limit is 0. So answer is x into sin x b. This is 0 to 1. Tan inverse of 1 plus x into 1 minus x. Zero to 1. This is tan inverse of 1 plus x into 1 minus x. Okay, so this can be written as, or if I take minus common here, okay, so this is equal to x minus of this will be equal to 1 minus x. If I take common, it will be x minus 1. So right now I'm just taking minus x common here. I can write the numerator as x minus of x minus 1, x plus x minus 1 will be 2x minus 1, and then this is dx. Now this is of the form tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. Formula will be tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. 0 to 1 tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of x minus 1 and then dx. This is 0 to 1, okay, and then tan inverse of x plus this is 0 to 1 tan inverse of x minus 1 dx. Right, now I'm going to use King's property here. If I use a to b fx dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This becomes 0 to 1 tan inverse of x plus integration 0 to 1, change x to upper limit minus x. Upper limit minus x is 1 minus x minus 1 and then dx. This will cancel. And tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse of x. So 0 to 1, okay, tan inverse of x plus integration 0 to 1 tan inverse of minus x. This is 0 to 1, 0 to 1 tan inverse of x minus 0 to 1 tan inverse of x. This will cancel, answer will be 0. Minus a to plus a f of x dx will be 2 times 0 to a f of x dx if fx is even. That's a property of definite integrals, right? If fx is even, if fx is even, 0 if fx is odd. Fx should be even and 0 if fx is odd. If I separate them, this is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. And then this is x cube dx minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 x into cos x dx minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 tan power 5x dx and minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 dx. This is x cube is odd. Okay, x into cos x is odd. Tan power 5x is odd. These fellows will be 0. Odd means f of minus x should be equal to minus f of x. Only then you say an odd function. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x. This is odd. So this will be 0, this will be 0, and this will be 0. Integration of dx is x minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Upper limit is pi by 2, lower limit is minus of minus pi by 2, which is equal to pi. Answer is option C. If I use the King's property, you take this as I. I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2, right? 0 to pi by 2 log of 4 plus 3 sin x divided by 4 plus 3 cos x. You call equation 1. I'm going to use the property a to b f 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. You change x to lower limit, upper limit minus x. Provided lower limit is 0, so 0 to pi by 2. And then this is equal to log of log of 4 plus 3 into upper limit minus x is sine of pi by 2 minus x divided by 4 plus 3 times cos of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 and then log of 4 plus 3 times sine of pi by 2 minus x is cos x and cos of pi by 2 minus x is sin x. You call equation 2. If I add equations 1 and 2, I plus I is equal to 2i. And then this is 0 to pi by 2 log of 4 plus 3 sin x divided by 4 plus 3 cos x. 3 cos x plus again this is equal to log of 4 plus 3 cos x divided by 4 plus 3 sin x. Log m plus log n is log m into n, right? This is 0 to pi by 2 and then you get this as log m into n, that is 4 plus 3 sin x divided by 4 plus 3 cos x into this is 4 plus 3 cos x divided by 4 plus 3 sin x. This will cancel and cancel this as well. 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 and then you get log 1. Log 1 to any base is 0. Integration of 0 is 0. 2i is equal to 0, I is equal to 0. Answer is option C. Okay, now root of a square plus x square. One can be written as 1 square plus x square. Right, this is special integral. This is of the form dx divided by root of, sorry. This is of the form root of a square plus x square. Formula will be equal to x by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root of a square plus x square. Okay, so this is equal to x by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2, that is 1 by 2 log of x plus root of 1 square plus x square and then plus c. Answer is option A. Right, even this I will complete the squares. This is root of x square minus 8x, add 16, subtract 16 and plus 7. This is x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 9. This is x square I can write this as x minus 4 the whole square minus 9. Okay, now integration of root of x minus 4 the whole square minus 3 square dx. Root of x square minus a square can be written as x by 2 into root of x square minus a square by 2. There is minus, this is the formula, right? Root of x square minus a square is x by 2 into root of x square minus a square. Okay, minus a square by 2, and then you get log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. This is the formula. So x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2, that is 3 square by 2. Log of x plus root of x square minus a square and plus c. Now if I simplify this is x minus 4 by 2 root of x square minus 8x plus 9 plus 7. Again, if you simplify x minus 4 the whole square minus 3 square, you get x square minus 8x plus 7 only. Minus 9 upon 2, and then log of x minus 4 plus root of x square minus 8x plus 7 and plus c. Answer is option D. Right. Question number 25. Area lying in the first quadrant and bounded by the circle and the lines. This circle is x square plus y square is equal to 4. 0, 0, radius is 2. Lines is x is equal to 0, x equal to 4 in the first quadrant. This area only. That is, area of a circle is pi r square. In the first quadrant is divided by 4. Pi into 2 square by 4, it will be pi square units. Area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x, y axis and the line y equal to 3. Y square is equal to 4x is a right parabola. Okay, and then line y is equal to 3. This is x axis, this is y is equal to 0. This area I am supposed to find out. The area is equal to y is equal to 0 to y equal to 3, and function of y dy, f of y dy. Area is equal to 0 to 3. Okay, function of y, I can write y square by 4 is equal to x. This is y square by 4, and then this is dy. Area is equal to 1 by 4. Integration of y square is y cube by 3. Integration of y square is y cube by 3 between the limit 0 to 3. 1 upon 4, 1 by 3. 4 cube is 3 cube is 27. So this is 1 by 4 into 9. That is equal to 9 by 4. Answer is option B. Right. Question number 27. Smaller area enclosed by the circle and the line x plus y equal to 2. So if I take suppose a circle, center is 0, 0, radius is 2, right? So this is 0, 2. This line is x plus y equal to 2, means x intercept is 2, y intercept is 2. This line is x plus y equal to 2. This area I am supposed to find out. I'll find okay, now area is equal to area of the circle in the first quadrant is pi r square by 4. Okay, minus half base into height. Half of base is 2, height is 2. Minus half base into height. So this is equal to pi r square, that is 2 square by 4. Minus this will cancel, you get 2. 4 will cancel 4. Pi minus 2 square units. Answer is option B. No need to use integration, guys. Just find area of the circle in the first quadrant, cut the triangle, you will get the area. Same thing for ellipse also. If you have ellipse and is area bounded by the ellipse in the line, do the same thing here. Find the area of the ellipse in the first quadrant, that is pi AB by 4, minus cut the triangle half base into height, you will get the answer. I gave you these results in my earlier videos. Y square is equal to 4ax and y is equal to mx. Then area will be equal to 8a square by 3m cube. If you compare 4a is equal to 4, right? A is equal to 1 and m is equal to 2. 8 into a square is 1. 3 into m cube is 2 cube 8. This will cancel. You get 1 by 3 square units. Y equal to x cube is a cubic function, right? And x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 2. This area and this area, it is not symmetric. Area is equal to minus 2 to 0, then x cube dx plus integration of 0 to 1 and then x cube dx. Area below the x-axis will be negative, that's why you should take mod. Area is equal to integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4 minus 2 to 0 plus this is x to the power of 4 by 4 between the limit 0 to 1. 1 upon 4, this is 0 minus 2 power 4 is 16 plus 1 by 4 upper limit minus lower limit. This will cancel 4 times. Mod of minus is plus. You get 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 17 by 4. Answer is option D. Y is equal to x into mod x, right? This is when x is positive, mod x is x, so this becomes x square. And when x is negative, mod x is minus x, so this is minus x square. If it is positive, you get an upward parabola. If it is negative, then you get a downward parabola. This is y is equal to x square. This is y is equal to minus x square. Minus 1 to plus 1. This area I'm supposed to find out. It is symmetric only. I just find the I'll find the first quadrant and multiply by 2. Area is equal to 2 times 0 to 1 and then x square dx. Area is equal to 2 times x cube by 3 between the limits 0 to 1. 2 by 3, upper limit 1, lower limit is 0. 2 by 3 square units. Okay, area of a circle which is exterior to the parabola. This will be the circle. And then y square is equal to 16x. I should find area of the circle and exterior to the parabola. That is this area. Interior part is inside parabola, exterior part is outside. I'm supposed to find out this area. This is x dash. This is y and y dash. Okay, let's call equation 1. We'll call this as equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. X square plus y square is equal to 16, right? If I substitute 2 in 1, this becomes x square. Y square itself is 6x is equal to 16. X square plus 6x minus 16 is equal to 0. If I split the middle term, this is 8 minus 2. X minus 2 into x plus 8 is 0. So this means that x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 8. This is not possible. If x is minus 8, y square will be imaginary. X is equal to 2. If I substitute, you will get y square is equal to 6 into 2. Okay, so y square is equal to 12. Y is equal to 2 root 3 plus minus 2 root 3. Plus minus 2 root 3. The point of intersection is 2 comma plus minus 2 root 3. Now if I substitute, this is 2 root 3, 2 comma 2 root 3. Okay, drop the perpendicular. This is 2 comma 0. This is 0 comma 0. I'll find only the first quadrant, multiply by 2. So this is radius of this circle is 4 square. So this is 4 comma 0. This is minus 4 comma 0. Right, I'll find area in the first quadrant, multiply by 2. That is, area is equal to integration of minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 2. You take minus 1 to 2 circle, area is equal to 2 times. I'm finding only in the first quadrant, multiply by 2, minus 4 to 2, and then you get circle. Okay, minus 4 to 2, you take circle, cut the parabola out, minus 0 to 2, and then you get parabola dx. So area is equal to 2 times minus 4 to 2, and then circle will be equal to y square is equal to 16 minus x square, y equal to root of 16 minus x square. Is equal to root of 4 square minus x square dx, minus integration 0 to 2. Parabola will be equal to y square is equal to root of 6x. Is equal to root 6 into root x dx. Now area is equal to 2 times root a square minus x square is x by 2. This is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. Okay, plus a square by 2. Plus a square by 2, that is 4 square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse of x by 4 between the limits minus 4 to 2. Again minus 2 into root 6, open the bracket. Integration of root x is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Between the limits 0 to 2. If you open the bracket, you get x into root of 4 square minus x square. Between the limits 0 minus 4 to 2 plus 16 into 2 and 2 cancels when you open the bracket. Sine inverse of x by 4. Between the limits minus 4 to 2. This is 4 root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2 divided by 3. Okay, and then upper limit will be equal to 2 per 3 by 2. Lower limit is 0. If you substitute upper limit, it is 0. Lower limit is minus 4, right? Minus and minus is plus 4. 2 square, if you substitute upper limit, you will get area is equal to 2 times root of 16 minus 4. Lower limit is minus of minus is plus 4. Root of 4 square minus 4 square is 4 square. Anyways, this is 0. 16 upper limit is sine inverse of 2 by 4, which is half. Minus lower limit is sine inverse of minus 4 by 4. Minus this is 4 into root 3 and 2 power half divided by 2 power 3 by 2 by 3. Okay, area is equal to root 12 is 2 root 3 plus 16 into sine inverse of half is pi by 2. Sine inverse of half is pi by 6. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Minus 4 into root 3. 2 per half into 2 per 3 by 2 is 2 square by 3. So this is 16 into 2 pi by 3. 90 plus 30 is 120. Minus This is plus 4 root 3 minus 16 root 3 by 3. This is 32 pi by 3 plus, if you cross multiply, 12 minus 16 is minus 4. This is minus 4 by 3. 4 root 3 by 3. If I take suppose 4 by 3 common, you will get 8 pi minus root 3. 4 by 3 into 8 pi minus root 3. Answer is option C. Alright, area bounded by cos and sine, x is equal to 0 to pi by 2. We have done this before as well. It was asked in previous year KCET paper only. 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi, and sine 90 is 1. Okay, maximum value is 1, and cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Cos and sine will cut at pi by 4. Okay, area bounded by cos and sine, x lies between 0 and pi by 2, but y axis, this area. This is y is equal to sin x. This is y is equal to cos x. Area is equal to 0 to pi by 4. And then you get this as cos x minus sin x. Between 0 and pi by 4, cos is more than sin. Now if I integrate, integration of cos x is sin x. 0 to pi by 4, integration of minus sin is plus cos. Between the limits 0 to pi by 4. Upper limit is sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 0 will be 0. Cos 45, 1 by root 2, cos 0 is 1. 2 by root 2 minus 1, area is equal to root 2 minus 1. The degree of the differential equation is, sin of dy by dx is there, right? Degree is not defined. Order of the differential equation, it's a second order derivative, d square y by dx square, order is 2. Number of arbitrary constants in the general solution of differential equation of order 4. Number of arbitrary constants is equal to order of the differential equation, that is d. Number of arbitrary constants in the general solution, we are done with this. Number of arbitrary constants in a particular solution of a differential equation of third order. If it is third order, number of arbitrary constants should be 3 only. Which one of the following differential equation, which of the following differential equations have y is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x is the general solution? If I differentiate, call this is equation 1. You call equation 1. If I differentiate once, dy by dx is equal to c1 e power x minus c2 e power minus x. If I differentiate once again, d square y by dx square is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x. It's the same as y. That is d square y by dx square minus y equal to 0. Answer is option B. Y is equal to x is which of the following differential equation has y is equal to x as one of its particular solution? If I differentiate this, you get 1. If I differentiate once again, d square y by dx square, you get this is 0. So this means that only C will satisfy. This is 0 minus x square dy by dx is 1 plus x into y is again x. Only C will satisfy. This can be written as dy by dx dy by dx is equal to e power x into e power y. Dy by e power y is equal to e power x into dx. E to the power of minus y dy is equal to e power x dx. Now e power minus y dy is equal to e power x dx. Integration of e power minus y is e power minus y by minus 1. This is e power x plus c. That is, this is e power x plus e power minus y is equal to c. Minus c you shift on the right side, it is still c only. E power x plus e power minus y equal to c, first option. Okay, whenever you have dy by dx is equal to function of y by x, then you will put v is equal to yx. And but you have function of x by y, then you will put x is equal to vy. Right, that's the answer, is option C. All right, so I'll come up with some more questions in my next video, guys. Please do watch, like, and share this video. Subscribe our channel, enable the bell icon so that you get notifications for all our classes. All right.